Bigsmokeandthebandit has been mulling over a few ideas recently. Yes, I know, I'm actually using my brain. That doesn't happen very often. But anyway, my idea is this, okay? You know the way pedestrians just walk around and they cross the road and things like that? Well, I've come to the conclusion that really that is just unacceptable, the way the system works, okay? The system for pedestrians is just wrong. Stay there, you prick. Anyway, so I think I have a solution to this problem. I'll give you the background to this, right? Okay. To ride the bike I'm riding right now, first of all, I had to complete the compulsory bike training with CBT. So that's a day's training in its own right, or maybe a half a day, you know. Anyway, so you have to do your compulsory bike training, okay? Then you've got to wait months on end to get a theory test. So then you have to go and queue up with a load of other smelly people and go and take this multiple choice quiz, okay? Which is pointless, absolutely pointless. Although it makes the government a lot of money, so it's a good tax basically. And Bigsmokeandthebandit thinks that we're highly undertaxed in this country, so the more taxes the better. Oh, Addison Lee, you penis. Complete unnecessary slowing before a green light. If I catch him, I'm going to give him one of my bloody mouthfuls. Mindful, mouthful. Oh, you know what I mean. I'll give him a mouthful. A mouthful of my mind. Oh, there you go, that's alright. Okay, so then, right, a biker, you need to go and do your module 1. So you've got to go and do a figure of 8 and... Oh look, it's Addison Lee! Sorry, you've got to go and do your figure of 8 and all this, and do all your slow speed manoeuvres on this great big tennis court. Oh! And then, once you've passed that, you've then got to go and do your module 2, which is the road test. So most people watching this are probably bikers, so you'll know that already, but for those who aren't bikers, there you go. So it's a bit of a pain in the arse, to be honest. But pedestrians, okay, they don't need to take any test at all. And I think that's really unfair. Oh. So, my proposal is this. All pedestrians have to have the same sort of testing as bikes do. So all pedestrians have got to go for compulsory pedestrian testing, so the CPT, okay? And that's now valid. Once they do that, they can be a pedestrian as long as they walk around with an L plate on their back and front, and they can do that for 2 years. By which point, when it comes to 2 years, if they haven't done their full pedestrian test, they have to go and repeat the compulsory pedestrian training again. And I think that's fair. I think that's very, very fair. Oh, dick! Prick! So, module 1 of being a pedestrian. The manoeuvres. First of all, you have to ensure that one leg is put in front of the other leg. This manoeuvre is called walking. Oi! Don't even think about it. So what the pedestrian must do is be able to walk at a slow speed and then be able to come to a stop within a predefined set of 2 cones. The next manoeuvre the pedestrian can do, well, anyway, I won't go into all the details because it's a work in progress, but basically the pedestrian has got to be able to walk in a circle, the pedestrian's got to start walking and stop walking. The pedestrian must always observe what is going on around them. Grow up. Go on then. Go on, Prius. Don't be pious. Thank you! Would be nice! Arsehole. Bet his name is called Mias. Pious. They're driving a Prius. What an arsehole. Wait. Okay. Come on! Oh, Vauxhall Astra in the bus lane. Frick. Oh, dicks! What a dick! Fucking dick! Fucking prick. What an idiot. You, sir. Wanker. Oh. I hope he doesn't ride around Brixton with a bike like that. Sounds like he's shooting everybody. That's cycling dick. Dick. Cycling dick. Oh, dick. Dick. What a dick. It is, yeah. I make videos for YouTube. Oh. Check out. No, you see a lot of funny things happen, so you check out Bigsmokeandthebandit. Bigsmokeandthebandit? Yeah, all in one word. Alright. Yeah. Oh! Don't cross the road there, you dick!